Now, let us have an example of real-life situations using piecewise function. This is the given problem. A telecommunications company charges 1,299 pesos per month for a postpaid plan. After 500-minute limit of calls, it will charge 2 pesos per minute. Write a function showing monthly charges. Let x be the number of minutes used and f of x be the corresponding charge. So we have x for your number of minutes used per call and f of x be the corresponding monthly charge. So we are going to write a function for the monthly charge. So we have f of x equals, so per month, you will have to pay 1,299 if you have used an x, or if you have used 500 minutes for your calls. So your x here is less than or equal to 500. And for your monthly charge, if you exceed with 500 minutes, you will have an additional 2 pesos per minute. So the minutes that exceeded will be x minus 500. So we have here 2 times x minus 500 plus the monthly charge, 1,299. So that is if your x is greater than to 500. So now, class, this is the piecewise function showing the monthly charge for your postpaid plan. Now, let us try this. Find the corresponding charge if you consumed 520 minutes of calls. So, your x here is equal to 520 minutes. So, which function satisfies your x equals to 520 minutes? So, this one, x is greater than 500. So, we are going to use this to get the corresponding charge. So, we have f of x equals to 2 times 520 minus 500 plus 1,299. So we have f of x equals to 520 minus 500. We have 2 times 20 plus 1,299. So your corresponding charge is equals to 40 plus 1,299. So the final answer, your monthly charge for 520 minutes of calls will be 1,339.